Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the 2022 Ford F-150 in an XL trim with and powered by a 2.7-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency, coming with running boards down below, as well as the STX Black Appearance Package, giving you black accents, rims, and interior cloth. But let's take a look inside. Looking into the back, where you have comfortable seating for three that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. And in the middle, you have two cup holders with a 12-volt, as well as a USB and USB-C. Looking into the front, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks. Now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel, on the right hand side you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can cycle through your digital speedometer, your trip information, your driver assistance features and settings, fuel economy, Eco Coach, and comm screen. Moving on to the left, you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center, your infotainment screen, which is radio and Bluetooth capable, Bluetooth phone controls, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. Shifting into reverse, you have a backup camera so you can see where you're going, and above that you have your camera view again, as well as your hazards and traction control shut off. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls. Pretty simple, easy to use. To the left, you have your trailer brake controller and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and drive mode selector for normal, slippery, deep snow, sand, mud, ruts. And then on the opposite end, you have tow, haul, eco, and sport mode, so you can customize your driving experience a bit there. Moving on to the right, you have a 12-volt as well as a USB and USB-C, and that cubby up there for more storage. Moving down, you have this cubby with another USB and USB-C. Then looking at your column shifter, which does have select shift, so you can manually shift through your gears, and onto your center console area, where you have two cup holders and a larger cubby, as well as a lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray and a ton of room inside for all of your stuff. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, come visit us at Prince George Ford, pgford.ca, or call 250-563-8111 and have a nice day.